Welcome to OLOP RV. We're the Wagners. And of course, Curtis just got done with laundry. I was talking about, I was going to clean up the whole place in an hour.
So I gave him 2, it's still not done.
That's not what I wanted you to say. So, I was supposed to clean up this in an hour.
And he's done a magnificent job.
Thank you. And
it smells brand new.
It
just
does
like
smell
you,
good.
Brand new.
Damn right I do. And then he brings all this in here, all the laundry we just got done. So,
You and that mouse in the pocket.
yeah, so now we have one more hour to put everything back together, and then I will show you pictures when it's all completed. I want to do a fast walk through real quick since I got the bus cleaned up yesterday. So this is what we're doing here. Talk about the benefits of tiny living.
Is that my cue to start talking?
Yeah.
We should rehearse this stuff. It would be much better. So, tiny living.
It would be terrible.
The thing about mobile tiny living is that if the weather's going to be bad for a month, you just crank up and go somewhere else. If your neighbors are loud and you've had enough of them, you just crank it up and go somewhere else. It's also nice that in an hour you can clean your house, like if it's just bad, and that part is Johnny's favorite.
Yes, because I don't like cleaning at all, period, especially our big house. And our big house is on 1,400 square feet.
So it's not a big house, but he hates it.
I still hate cleaning it. So
he hates it so much he gets started and then ends up outside or ends up asleep.
But here I can only do it. He
gets it done at one shot.
Yeah, pretty much an hour is kind of, and all you really have to do is do the floors and clean the countertops, and it's basically done.
Down.
But that's really all I wanted to say about like the tiny living. I don't think there's any really negative benefits for us, other than there's very little storage and little stuff you're more limited on what you can bring in the bus.
Yeah, and so we're on that process of, if we haven't used it this trip, I mean, when it's all said and done, it'll be 6 months, and there's several things that we've already talked about that when we get home, it's coming off the bus.
Yeah, if we haven't used it, we're losing it.
And sometimes we've used it and didn't appreciate it or didn't like it.
Yeah.
Like those 2 little chairs, we're not going to use those.
But I also wanted to show a few pictures of our containers. Since last week we did about the containers and how we had troubles finding spaces for everything and reorganizing our cabinets.
Right.
Lisa Jones and Debbie Rowe commented on, either going to, first of all, it was Debbie Rowe said we needed to get containers, and then Lisa Jones said that we needed, told us to Dollar Tree, and gave me an idea to go to Target, and they had them on sale for like $4.
Were there $1 at Dollar Tree?
Yeah, but I like Target. I wanted the right color, so it worked really well for us anyway.
Right.
And I appreciate the comments for sure, so keep them coming.
Oh yeah, and also this week I cut off the ponytail.
No
more ponytail.
He looks so cute with his little rhino back. At least I know how he's feeling.
I'm back to normal, and it was nice. I'm nearing 60, and I had never had a ponytail, so I thought,
I'm glad it's done.
I thought I'd grow it, and he liked it at first, but I could tell he was kind of, he never said anything about the hair or anything. So a couple days ago, I got a wild hair, and I started cutting on it. So it's not perfect, but it's perfect for me.
Yes, and I told him basically, cut it or get out. No, I did not. Anyway, thank you for watching, and can't wait to see y'all next week. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
And hit the bell notification.
Bing.